Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ninja Cat from Battle Cats. So let's get started. To draw this super cool cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'll come right here and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Then I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. And do the same thing. Now that I have my eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the nose and mouth. So I'm going to come towards this eye a little bit more, and about right here underneath, I'm going to go ahead and draw the nose. So it's kind of like a sharper U, bottom of a U. Just this little curve right here. And then I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to curve out right underneath the eye. And same thing here, come down and then curve out. And then we're going to draw the mouth. So come right here and we're just going to draw a deeper curve there. Now that we have the face in, let's go ahead and we're going to frame it. So we're going to come right above these eyes and I'm just going to come out a little bit. So let's say about a little of his face, a body. So I'm just going to say about right here for now. And I'm going to draw a curve right over the eye. And let's go, I'm just going to give myself some points right here so I know what I'm working with. I'm going to come about right here, close to the eye. Just going to be one curve and another curve for the body, just so I know how far to bring this. So about right here, I'm going to come out a little bit more. Let's just say about right here, further out. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. So about right here and here. So then now that we have that shape in, I'm going to go ahead and frame the face. So come down, draw a curve, and we're just going to go right underneath the mouth. Flatten out a little bit right underneath. Bring this curve out. And just go ahead and connect. So just want to make sure this side is wider because we are seeing this cat a little bit more from this side view, not straight on. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to curve this and draw the body. So once again, nice simple body, just nice and round. And then just a little bit deeper towards the bottom. And connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the feet. Since I'm down here, I know I'm kind of going backwards. But since I'm down here, I'm going to come about right here and draw his feet. Nice, simple feet. So a bigger one right here, and then next to it, smaller one for the back one. And then right about here, we'll draw the other one. And a smaller one for the back. There. Okay, so then now to draw the bandana part of this ninja cat. So I'm going to come to the center right here over between the eyes and about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval. And I'll come right next to it and draw another oval that passes this curve. So if you're using a pencil, just draw the bandana first, but it's because this part pops out. I'm going to draw the bandana. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to curve out about right here and I'm going to bring it right back to here. So let's go over, draw our bandana, bring this down and another oval right here. There. Okay, so then now we're going to draw the ears. So come back to this point right here where everything starts and we're going to go up. And say about right here, round off the tip. Bring it down to about right here, close to the head, and then we're going to curve over. And come over to about here. So we're just creating this round shape for our cat. And then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop out the other ear, round off the tip and bring it all the way back to there. So now that we have that in, let's see here. I think we're pretty much done. Very simple cat, right? That's what's so cool about battle cats. And then let's draw the sword. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to give a little angle right next to the ear. Draw this little detail in our sword. And then the handle. So just continue your angle. Bring it out. And round off the top. And for some details, add a line, maybe 2 X's. And then we're just going to continue this through and curve it a little bit. It's all up to you. Let's just say about right here. I'm going to pop it out. Same thickness. There. So now that we're done drawing Ninja Cat, I thought it'd be really cute if we added some more stuff around it to just spruce it up. So if you want to do that, let's come down here first and we're going to draw the oval underneath the feet to anchor our cat in. So right there, and I'll just shade this in really quickly. And if you love battle cats and you want me to draw more of them, definitely let me know in the comments below what other battle cat you would love me to draw for you. Okay, so now we have our cat nicely grounded. Let's come to the back about right here. I'll just come in this area and I'm just going to start to zigzag a background. So let's come across about right here, some grass, just come out. Nice and simple, nothing too complicated. And then we can add some, maybe some bush, some grass. Oh, maybe just pop it out about right here. And then some trees in the background. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to draw 3 very simple trees. And one more, maybe one really thick one. There, and then you can just kind of give a little indication of a canopy. These curves. So it makes it look like we're in this deep forest, right? And so when you color it, it has it brings everything to life by popping it out with these beautiful greens and browns with our Ninja Cat right here. So bring this down. Just notice right here, it needs to come down a little bit right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this cute Ninja Cat turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.